CEO of View Televisions. I thank all of you today who logged on to watch our first ever digital launch. During the lockdown, we've all had to work from home. But this is the first time someone's actually done a product launch from home. So we promised to make this exciting. First, I will tell you about some amazing milestones of View Televisions as a brand, and then I will unveil the new product that we have created during this time. View Televisions, as you know, is a 1,000 crore premium television brand. This is the company that has sold over 22 lakh televisions and has a 97% customer repeat rate because people are so satisfied with our products. Our product quality, innovation, features, customer service, all bundled in is the #1 reason people recommend View Televisions to their friends. Let me tell you, as a company, 2020 has actually started really well because in January we launched the Cinema TV. The Cinema TV was really a groundbreaking product when we realized, interestingly back then, that movie theaters are becoming incredibly expensive and there's so much content. How do you bring the cinema experience home? Of course, we didn't know back then that cinemas are going to be shut for the next few months. So maybe it was just a little bit of foresight on our part to be able to make sure that customers get the best home entertainment. When we launched the Cinema TV, the entire inventory actually sold out on Amazon within 24 hours. Soon after, in March, in fact just the day before the lockdown, we launched the Premium TV. The Premium is very similar to the product that we are launching here today. That product also got sold out as soon as it was launched. The second lot we released on e-commerce websites a week ago, again sold out very fast. So we're thankful to all our customers who wait with bated breath what is View's latest product and then really line up to buy it. I promise you, this new launch that we have actually has some features that we've incorporated, keeping your home entertainment in mind, keeping binge watching in mind, keeping your lifestyle in mind, even work from home in mind, and make sure that you can literally spend all day in front of a View TV. A very important part of our success as a company has actually been our customers. Did you know that View Televisions is the only company that gave customer service through the entire lockdown? We actually serviced 10,000 customers remotely. What we did is we created a contingency plan a week before the lockdown was announced. We made sure that our service agents have broadband connections and devices at home from which they can remotely service customers. In certain cases where a product needed repair, we gave them a replacement TV to make sure that they never lose out on their viewing experience. I think this just really goes to show how much we care for our customers, and we want 100% of our customers to be satisfied with the View Television. A View Television's success as a company also comes, of course, from the fact that we have a fantastic team who take care of our customers. We've made sure as a commitment that we have paid full salary to our entire team with no cuts. In fact, we paid them in advance during this difficult time because we truly believe if we take care of our employees, they will take care of our customers. On a side note, I have donated 3 months of my own personal salary to help daily wage workers and migrant workers during this time. As an Indian, I really feel at this point we have to think of our country first. And there's no point of having business leadership if we don't have a sense of community and giving back. At View, we've done everything that we can to help people in need, making sure people get paid, and make sure we don't do any layoffs so that we emerge even stronger and better. But the only reason we can emerge stronger and better is really today because of the frontline workers that we have. Our doctors, nurses, police, the government, everyone out there who's telling us to stay home and stay safe have been working tirelessly during this time. I salute all of you, and all of us here at View are really, really appreciative of the effort done by this team to make sure that our country is safe. It's very important today that we really think of ourselves as an ecosystem. We've also ensured that our products are sustainable. We're using ROHS materials. We have an e-waste program. We've minimized any kind of papers and plastics. And we really hope that the damage that comes from companies to the environment is not something that we will have. We do have a very minimal carbon footprint. And I know that this kind of sustainable leadership is very important to our customers. So thank you again for choosing View, for our amazing products, for our discerning customer service, for the fact that we care so much about everyone in our country, in our world. And with a lot of pride today, let me show you the new product, innovated and launched for the first time in a lockdown, the View Ultra 4K TV. Bring the world of 4K entertainment in your home with the View Ultra 4K TV. Let me tell you what's special about this product, starting with picture quality. During the lockdown, we all got frustrated sitting at home, so we tried to bring the outdoors in. We made sure that the lights are on, the windows are open, a lot of light is coming in. So while this makes us feel very good, a lot of displays suffer because the picture tends to go a lot duller. Not with the View TV. With this Ultra Edge 4K display, you get 40% more brightness. And this comes with a very high performance special optical film that distributes light all across the LED TV. So what happens is, imagine you're in a room like this, there are many people in a family, whoever's home together is watching TV. Some people of course get the center seat, and there are many who sit on the side. With this technology, even those who are watching it from the side will get a uniform picture quality. This is a significant backlight control that we've added in our televisions that give you an overall brightness and contrast no matter where you're watching in the room. The other thing that we've added in our television, which I think is very interesting, is customers have become a lot more discerning and sophisticated. Today with the kind of content that they're watching, or even if they've synced content from their other devices, they want to be able to control the output of the picture. So what our viewer engineers have done, we've actually made you a viewer engineer and put a lot of features in your hand that can be accessed with this Active Voice remote, with the Pro Picture calibration mode. So whether it's color temperature, MPEG noise reduction, HDMI dynamic range, gamma correction, color calibration, just think of it. All of that technical stuff that my engineer would do on your TV, you can do it yourself, control it with this device, and really get the kind of output that you want with this product. With this View television, we've also made sure that you have advanced HDMI 2.0 format. So if someone like me who in the daytime wants to connect on my laptop, maybe I'm working from home, or in the night, my family and I like to have some gaming nights on a console, I don't have to worry whether it will sync with my devices. With this format, you will get not only the standard output, but enhanced brightness output, no matter what device that you work it with. So we've made sure it works with the latest features, and we've also made sure that it works and gives you a best quality output and color, actually than what you see maybe on your laptop screen. Now, another thing I know that we're all going to miss, I know for sure, is our lives are really going to change over the next 1 year. We can't travel. We can't go to a movie theater, we can't go to a stadium and maybe watch a concert or a sport. Don't worry. With the kind of sound output, not just picture, we're bringing the entire stadium immersive experience home with this super sound sports mode. What this does is, in a room up to 20 feet, it gives you the feeling of being in a stadium. And we've also made sure that the commentary is a lot crisper with vocal clarity. Last year, we upped the television game for the industry with the View Cricket mode. Well, this time, guess what? We brought those features to sound. So yes, stay safe, stay home, don't step out for next few months, maybe a year, and get all the content that you want at home and really feel the experience. Another feature that we've added in our televisions is a very special one, keeping families in mind. I know for sure that there are certain content that I may enjoy watching, or a lot of us enjoy watching on Amazon or Netflix, but maybe they're not appropriate for little kids. Maybe we just don't want to watch it in front of our parents. Well, guess what? We've actually added an ultra secure parental block on our televisions. So all that content, which you feel may not be appropriate, don't worry about it. Click of a button and we will do the editing job for you. So you can sit back, relax, don't need to scurry for the remote during maybe a scene that you think is not family friendly. Imagine this is the detail that we've gone into, because we know that OTT consumption has gone higher and people really want to have a product that the whole family can enjoy. Most importantly, I feel so proud that I have this View television in my living room, because it really is a work of art. I mean, just look how sleek this television is. This ultra bezel-less design that we have given gives you a fantastic picture quality. And today most people like a titanium grey color, which is what we've added on the stand. But if you don't want a stand, you can always wall mount the TV. This television isn't just an external beauty though. This television also has intelligence inside. It comes with an Ultra Boost 4X graphic engine, which is basically the next generation quad-core processor for much more dynamic picture quality processing that you can get on this TV. With View televisions, you can be ensured that your entire television viewing experience, right from picture to sound to content to aesthetics, everything is taken care of. And that is why we call ourselves a luxury television brand. Now, all of you must be wondering, when is it that this product is launching? I know over the past few months how many calls I have answered from people saying, when is the View TV coming in stock? Well, guess what? Have your credit cards ready, because it's come in stock today. You can actually log on to Amazon.in, or you can visit dealers and retailers across the country and get your hands on the latest View Ultra 4K TV. This television comes in 4 variants. We have 43-inch, 50-inch, 55-inch, and this megastar here, which is the 65-inch. Starting at 26,000 rupees for a 43-inch, 29,000 rupees for a 50-inch, 33,000 rupees for a 55-inch, which is actually our fastest seller. And for those who really want to splurge, only at 49,000 comes the 65-inch View televisions. I am so excited about this new range. It's very similar to the View Premium range, but it comes with so many features. And I really think that if you're locked down at home, this is your best buddy. Whether you want it for entertainment, whether you want to connect it to your devices, whether you want to watch it alone, or just have time together with your family. This exciting launch that we have also comes with a very special giveaway contest, because I know so many of you have logged on to see this. It's a very simple contest actually. All you have to do is go on social media, spread the news about this product and put the hashtag ViewUltraWorld, which is hashtag ViewUltraWorld, and one lucky winner will get a 50-inch View Ultra TV and his home. This contest is open to anyone. Whoever wishes can log on. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for watching our digital launch from home. Stay safe, stay home, and with the View Ultra 4K TV, stay entertained.
The Dow pacing those gains thanks to Walmart's better than expected earnings. Still, the major averages are on track for their 3rd straight negative week, and the Dow is on.
View TV play workout Video Day 24.